Amism addressing the issue of lack in humans. Amism ideology started examining the lack of humans at a later stage, especially when it comes of poor nations as well as wealthy nations. Lacking something is usual phenomenon. The employer want the employees come again, so he will only pay subsistence wages. You must not expect surplus rewards from him. Because the system of economy is arranged in that way, that means if people are rewarded more, some will work more for the rewards. They will be much more loyal. But system of economy says majority are pleasure seeking and got addicted to entertainment and mobiles, and hence rewarding more has negative impact on productivity. Hence nations especially try to reward their individuals less. Nations consider economy as a fort. Anybody who tries to deal with it will be dealt harshly. You look at the present systems. Money is an extra lock on money itself. That means if someone tries to deal with it in a negative sense, the pillars of democracy, whether it is a legislature, executive, judiciary or media, they will try to safeguard it. The present stability of the world is determined by economic relations. People are unknowingly engineered to fit into limited economies. It's actually a tool to rule humans. With least valued legal tender notes, high values are assumed and that becomes a circulatory tool all over the nation. A stage has arrest that without money nothing will work out. If you think critically, you will realize that is the basis of competition, hatred among humans, shutting off people's thoughts, all determined by economy. That means the hardworking money lender or money collector in limited flow of cash won't be having option to think. The worst fear of humans is the absence of expected rewards. Poor countries and rich countries consider their gross domestic product or net national productivity seriously. Especially during depression in economies, people in poor countries suffer more than the people in rich countries. Because already they are limited by the political, social, biological, environmental, constructed false realities to protect the value of cash, and then again they're getting silenced. When you try to find the history of cash, experts may say barter, or further associate it with kingly chakras, gold coins. But the banking and money, as we say, advance at later times. That means in globalized world if you have money and force, you can control the whole world. Because money does work for you in the vast evolutionary sense. You may have heard about Rothschild family. How they began controlling the world, it's using the cash. Investing on banking sector, media, material production, space, telecommunication, infrastructure, they were able to stabilize the money system, existing all over the world. Almost all nations are indebted to Rothschild and their money lending policies. They have bases all across the world. When we say about money, people are afraid. Why? Because money can buy success and hinder your success rates. That means according to Amism, it's purposefully controlling the value of cash by those giants, otherwise money won't get that value. Gold standard itself was created as a replacement option for cash, in fear of its failure. Lack of humans creating social disturbances can be effectively engineered using Amism ideology options. It's of no doubt, at initial stages humans won't thought that money will become such an efficient tool. This is what actually widened the gap between rich and poor. The creators of money were able to draft the predefined systems favorable to them. Gradually they engineered its stability and guarded it for just societies. The merit of abundance of cash is they can stay in righteousness using wealth. The poor people are always complaining, can't afford to meet their family needs, are always in a state of war and unrest. Migrational quotient and unnecessary fights between people is not restricted to nutrition only, it is related to economic shortages. The divisions sustaining society is more or less related to economy. Conclusion. In a way, people running for money, doing all those wicked activities, cheating people for money, destroying social morality is actually they are not the responsible ones, it's a kind of false programming that Amism wishes to jump over. These hurdles humans must solve by predefined ideas.